Hi, Geoff here from GCD Property. Today is probably some tips on one of the most important things we need to ensure before we get into our first home. So I know it's an exciting time in our lives and we just want to jump in the car and go and visit the display homes. But one thing we need to be aware of is what's known as our credit score rating. Now this is something that the banks will check, and it's related to your previous credit history, so really important thing. And it's quite often the little small previous debts that we weren't even aware of that can affect this. So things like an old phone bill that went to the wrong address, or a gym membership that wasn't paid, or video hire, something like that. Back in when a lot of the bills were posted to us, and we changed addresses, moved around a lot when we were younger, and we were never even aware of these debts. So but it will come up, it will possibly come up on your credit file, and the banks will do a check on this. So there's a number of online providers where you can go in and check your own credit score link, and if you contact me at the end of the video, I'm happy to forward you that link. So these companies will go in and check your credit score rating, and there's ways to overcome this if there's any issues there. So if it's a small debt, we can usually just contact the company that we owe money to, repay the debt, and get our credit score cleared. And if it's a larger debt, probably what I would recommend or suggest is going to the company that you owe the debt to and trying to negotiate that loan, and just be aware of that, because that will really affect not only the chance of getting a loan approved, but also even the interest rate that the banks will charge you, because obviously the safer the loan from the bank's point of view, the better rate that they'll quote you. So this is where experienced mortgage brokers are really important, because they'll ask you these sort of questions, and they can help you overcome these small issues that at the time might not have seemed a lot, but it can really affect your loan applications, whether it's for a car loan or a property loan. So always be aware of that. If it's your first mortgage application and you're not sure, I would recommend that you go through and just get this credit score rating. So hope that's been of some value and some useful tips there, and if you contact me on my details below, I'll happily forward you a link to a credit score provider and put you in touch with a good mortgage broker that can help answer some of those questions. So thanks, and as I say, prevention is always better than the cure, so be prepared, and you'll have a lot more stress-free and successful loan application. Thanks.